what's up guys? Welcome back to the Headlight Detail Garage. So in our previous IGTV video, we had a lot of comments saying, show us how to polish out headlights in a single step. So in this video, I'll show you guys how to polish out your headlights in one single step using Headlight Restorer. If you have not checked out our IGTV video, I recommend heading over to our Instagram at Headlight and checking them out to yourself. But let's get back to this video. So in this occasion, I already went ahead and taped up this Lexus headlight. You guys can see it's severely oxidized. Before I begin this process, I'm actually going to go ahead and get speed wipe just to knock off any loose grime or debris that might be sitting on the surface. I'm going to spray it onto my towel just so I can get lubrication and I won't get overspray. I'll be wiping in one direction to remove, like I said, the loose grime and debris. Because you never want to work on a dirty headlight, because if you do work on a dirty headlight, you might be rubbing the contamination or the grime into the plastic. You can either scratch it or you can even just damage it permanently. Once it's already cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tape so I can show you guys a 50-50. Go ahead and cut off a piece of tape. Put it like so. Put it down the middle of the headlight. Make sure it's flat. So now I'll go ahead and get my drill with my medium orange Hex-Logic cutting pad. We do offer these in 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch. And then I'll get my Headlight Restorer. Simply shake up the product before using, and then I'll go ahead and apply 3 dots onto my pad. 1, 2, 3. And after I already have product onto my pad, we always recommend using a pad conditioner. So I actually have pad conditioner in my secondary sprayer bottle. Simply spray it twice to reduce friction onto the plastic and reduce heat. So if you guys do have a drill with speed settings, we recommend spreading out the product in speed setting 1. So in this occasion, I do not have speeds on this drill, so I'm just gonna be a little bit more careful, or even just dab out the product, just so you won't get any sling or splatter. And as you guys can see, I put the cord over my shoulder. The reason why I did that was to reduce the chance of me scratching up the paint with the cord. So I'll dab out the product, and now I'm actually just gonna spread it out. Once the product has been spread out, we recommend working it in until it turns translucent or clear. And just like that, in one single step, I actually went ahead and restored my headlight. Simply just buff off any product. And I'll go ahead and take off the tape just so I can reveal the before and after. The before and after. One cool thing I love about this Headlight Restorer is it actually has a sealant embedded into it. So if you actually drive off and forget to seal up your headlights, it's not going to turn yellow over time. If you guys do want to further your protection on their headlights, we recommend either applying a sealant like Jet Seal or enhance the beading effect like Hydro Slick. If you guys like this video, don't forget, like it, subscribe down below, and let us know in the comment section what type of videos you guys want to see next time right here at the Headlight Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.